Not yet.
Cookie.
Okay, ready? All right, go ahead.
Welcome to a cookie show.
What are we cooking today, Sophia?
We're cooking a cookie which is going to be green frosting, gold frosting, and rainbow frosting.
Okay, we're gonna make chocolate chip cookies with green dye. So here's our green dye. And then we're gonna put rainbow in it, right? Where is it? Where's our rainbow?
I know.
Oh, right here.
Yeah.
We're gonna put rainbow sprinkles in it, okay? And Sophia's gonna be my helper today, okay? Or am I the helper?
I'm the helper.
You're the helper, okay. Stay in the camera. Okay, so now we're gonna measure out our dry ingredients first.
Yes.
Okay, so we need to get a separate bowl for that. Hold on.
And we got some butter in this bowl. Do you know that we have butter? Buttery.
Okay, just taking the water out of here.
There was red, orange, yellow, green, blue, and purple.
All right. So, what do we do? I measure.
You pour. No.
I pour, and you measure.
Yes. No, I don't measure.
Oh, you don't measure. Okay. I
Somebody
measure.
measures.
Somebody measures.
I pour.
Okay. Can you count to 5 for me? Or you want to pour?
I pour.
Okay, here, well, let's do this first, okay? What are we pouring in? You gotta tell everyone which.
Flour.
Okay, we need 5 of these.
5 flour.
How many is that?
This is a big scoop. Ready, set, 1, 2, 3. It's empty.
You got 2 more to go.
Okay, 2 more to go. Ready? It's the big one to the crack. Ready? Scrub.
Make sure you don't miss.
Whoa.
There you go. Do that. I have to get another measuring
Did you
tool.
make David a bottle?
No.
No, but he got it.
Oh, he got it.
Yeah, go ahead. Put it in.
That was stupid. Ready? Was falling, raining from the sky. Rain flour from the sky, Mama.
All right, last one. Ready?
Okay. Put in this.
No, I have to put in this one.
It's going to be a small amount.
Okay.
Ah!
Oh, you missed. There's flour all over our floor. An entire fourth of flour.
Okay, don't get your hair in it.
Yeah, don't get your hair in it. And watch what you're doing. Because you missed. It's a lot of flour. Okay. We'll clean.
Good job. I think you might have to add a little more, huh?
We'll have to clean that up in post. Okay. Let's do.
Is that on the video?
Oh yeah, this is all videoed. This whole thing's videoing.
Here, watch what you say.
All right,
Okay.
Sophia, ready? You got to put in the teaspoon of baking soda.
Okay, Mama. I hope I don't miss.
I hope you don't miss either. All right.
Watch out, I'm down here.
All right, stay right there. I'm getting the salt. Okay.
What's off my toes? What's in
I got some of it. I didn't get all of it.
That's fine. Thank you. That was just a solid drop.
Hilarious.
It was hilarious. You dropped the whole thing on the floor. You totally missed. You missed the whole thing. How did you do that?
Now, can I do this? Oh, it's so salty.
Go ahead.
Can you put some salt in my hand?
Not right now. You gotta mix it. Hold on. Let me get the mixing one.
I can't see.
All right, mix it up.
I liked when they pour flour on the
I don't. So go ahead.
So sorry.
Okay, that looks pretty good.
Look at how flowers it is.
Yeah, excellent flour quality.
Flour.
All right, and put that there.
Now what do we do?
We're gonna put the sugar, not yet. We do sugar first.
Brown sugar, I can do it.
Okay, we're gonna measure brown sugar. Let me get a spoon for that.
Okay, thanks, Mama.
Oh, let me do it. I measure.
Okay, you pour.
I'm gonna pour this time.
No, I pour.
Oh, okay.
I measure, you pour.
What? No, that's not how it goes.
The
I
smell-
measure, you pour.
That smells good.
It does smell good.
Brown sugar. Brown sugar makes good cookies.
Yeah. Okay, there you go. 1 packed brown sugar in. Bong.
That was a big one. I better show you the next time I promise.
Okay, now I'm gonna do white sugar because, I mean, cookies, right?
Yes. Ready? One, and five, and one, and a five. I made that in the video.
That's a part of the video.
11, 12.
So tell us about your St. Patrick's Day. What did you do today?
Well, I'm going to tell about them last night.
What happened?
Last night I saw Play-Doh and a light up necklace sitting on my table, kitchen table. And
What are you pouring in? Sugar?
white sugar.
Okay.
It's raining white sugar, Mommy.
All right.
Now.
All right, go ahead. Keep telling your story. So what did you get? You got stuff?
Yeah. And we went out. We didn't go outside today, but we did play with my baby Jason. He did. Well, he's tired now. Of course.
Where is he now?
Upstairs in his bed. He's just so cute when he sleeps. I just say that.
All right, look up.
He sometimes wiggles while he's sleeping. Wiggle wobble, like that. So sorry. Now, let's whisk it up.
All right, I'm gonna.
Let's whisk it now.
Okay,
Do
we
you
get
think you can see my story? St. Patrick's Day.
All right, I'm gonna start whisking it, okay? And then you can help me.
See? This is my mom's story. I started. Whoa! Looks so good. He saw this good. Fabulous. Oh, my skirt. Do I have a skirt? Yes, I do. I have a headband too that is made.
Where is your headband?
Oh, put somewhere. I think we put it somewhere.
Yeah. I think
Well, those are crumbs.
Yeah. You gotta keep beating it until it's not crumbs.
Why is it? It's really going to be crumbs. Ah! One popped out. This is I love this time. And it kind of Papa, we can't get away to crumbs.
What?
Just, we can't get away that.
Alright, looks like we. Oh, nope, not yet.
It's the way. Before you even cook it, make sure you always wash your hands before you cook. You hear me? Okay. Make sure you tell your mom and dad if they forget. Just remind them, right? That's remind them. What I do. You scrub it clean. Take heavy with twice. But for soap or for what? Don't see it when you say it. And remember, there's 7 days of the week. There is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Let me count again. 1,
Do you want to crack the
2,
egg?
3, 4, 5. Yes. 6, 7. See?
Okay, you want to crack the egg?
Yes.
All right, let me come around.
I'm scared.
Okay, you gotta hit it harder. 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 Ready? Not super hard. Hard enough. Go ahead. Okay, ready?
Yeah.
Start it for you.
You do it.
Okay.
You do the rest.
Okay.
I'll do another one. Did you do the...
Here, you crack it. There's an eggshell. I'm gonna grab it. All right, go ahead. Hard. There you go. Good.
That kind of looks like jelly wobble.
Jelly wobble.
That was in the video, I'm sorry. Jelly wobble. I'm sorry.
What do you like about St. Patrick's Day?
I like that I get coins. But this time I didn't.
Horns.
Coins. Coins.
Oh,
Chocolate coins.
You didn't get chocolate coins?
No.
Do you usually get chocolate coins?
Yes. Did you know what? One time in Italy, I found a chocolate coin. And I ate some myself. Chocolate is good, but don't eat too much chocolate. You don't have to eat too much. My mom.
What happened when you ate too much chocolate?
You turn into a chocolate.
You had a headache? You can if you want.
When I had a headache, I think I was 3 or I was 2. Or was I 3 or I was 2?
3?
Or 2. I was 3 and I was in my bed until I turned over and my head hurt. So I wanted my mommy and then she gave me some medicine. And then my daddy came in and then my mommy stayed with me for the rest of the night. I couldn't get up in the morning, so my mommy had to carry me to her bedroom, watch some videos on the phone, and then they had to keep up. My daddy had to carry me downstairs onto the couch.
I want to do the dye very carefully. Don't get it on your fingers.
Whoa, stick with me.
We added green food coloring to make green chocolate chip rainbow cookies.
Uh-huh.
And I'm going to mix it. You want to try to mix it?
I think I can mix it.
Go ahead.
Woo! Turning the chocolate. Kind of looks like eggs.
You want to hold it? Hold it. Hold it while I'll show them the color. Ready?
Don't worry, just play around.
Okay. Good job. I'm going to take
It's
over.
so green. I like green first.
All right. So
Now, this is the color green.
I gotta pause it so I can check the recipe.
Let's pause it. We're gonna pause it. Don't you?